Alright, here we are at the next phase now. The dipper arm is complete and working, so now I'm concentrating on the main joint where the boom arm and the dipper arm join, and I've just run the cables down the arm ready for the top cover to go on. So I'll just zoom in a little bit here, focusing in on the cables. So coming out of the joint we've got 3 cables. So one goes away to the motor, and this will be the motor that operates the dipper ram. Okay, so one end is attached to the boom arm and the other end is attached to the dipper arm, so that makes the dipper arm go backwards and forwards. Moving along, so we got the cables now. The dipper arm cable emerges out the top of the boom arm, ready to pick up the anchor bracket and the motor. In the meantime, the dipper arm and the bucket ram cabling is running down the boom arm. It goes down along to the next cable guides and then finally reaches the joint where the boom arm joins the main body. So there's a little bit of work to do here. I want to make a spindle up that hooks into this drive here, so it's going to act as a spacer, so that when the two arms come together we can pull the two arms tight and it will bear against these faces here. I just finished assembling the dipper arm and the bucket motor. We tested that, make sure the switches and everything were working. I got as far as the joints inside here with the switches, and got as far as cabling on the inside to bring the wiring back out at the bottom. So since then I've put the lid back on. I've wired this up, I've put the piping back on, so it's kind of like a show thing really, but assembled this motor, the dipper motor, got that going, and the pipe work continues down. So we're now back together and we're as far as getting to this joint here. Operating the bucket, hopefully my hands and everything's out of the way, but so this one is operating the bucket in and out, so we've got variable speed, comes to a stop, back out again to a stop. So that's the movement of the bucket ram. Okay, now the dipper arm, that's out and that's in. And we've got a little bit of speed control on there. So let's get it moving. So there we are, that's the two motors working simultaneously, side by side as it were, off a little 2S battery.